If you're thinking that these are just Kratons with different colours, then you're probably right, because they are. It is the ARRMA 6S Kraton, but it's just got two brand new colour schemes. A striking red, white and blue colour scheme, and a strong green colour scheme harking back to the original Kraton 6S. If all I was talking about was the two new colours for the Kraton, then this would be a pretty short video, but the Kraton itself has a long history. The original Kraton is actually 11 years old, and when we launched the Kraton 6S power system, we completely changed the face of RC bashing. Insane 6S power, race-bred suspension geometry combined with bashing strength. This was a first in the industry. This delivered performance like we've never seen before. It's allowed you guys to send these further than ever before, jump higher, jump further, and land these cars incredibly hard and really make a name for the ARRMA Kraton. I remember watching Thomas Peterson, OG ARRMA basher, sending it absolutely miles, doing triple and double backflips along the gravel pits, sending it from 70 foot down, landing to flat, and the car driving away and just asking for more. This is what really gave us the direction and trajectory to allow us to develop the Kraton to be the absolute powerhouse it is today. Over 400 years of combined RC experience exist in the ARRMA RC office, and this allows us to expertly evolve and perfect this platform. This isn't just experience based on bashing around in your backyard. This is experience based on bashing and racing at the highest level. We have employees at ARRMA that have started racing in the mid-80s and continue to race now. The ARRMA RC staff have also won multiple national races, multiple national championships, multiple European championships. Combine this with our professional and diverse skills, we continue to create the best RC cars. And we don't just create the best cars, we create characters. Each of our characters in the ARRMA range has a unique feeling, driving characteristic, and application in which it excels. The Kraton 6S is your go-to, do-everything ultimate basher. Blasting through the rough section at 60 miles an hour, the Kraton can do it. 65 miles an hour down your neighbourhood street, the Kraton's got you covered. If you want to send it 100 foot downrange, then Kraton will do that as well. Big air backflips and standing backflips, Kraton's got you covered for that too. The version 6 of the Kraton 6S is designed to be easier to work on, go faster, jump further, land better, and just be your absolute fantastic speed monster truck. It comes with the quick release body mechanism, front tab and back tab. Pull it and the body is off, you're good to work on your car. And then just to put the body on, it's as simple as lowering it into position, clicking it down, and then just going and sending it. Front, rear and center is the 29mm diffs. This allows a much bigger tooth profile than in previous Kratons, making it a much stronger drivetrain to handle that power. We have the high torque twin spring servo saver in here to keep that steering locked on when you need it to be locked on, coupled with a Spectrum 665 servo that's got your steering duties covered. We've got the firmer 150 amp ESC in there with the preloaded high power firmware, which is going to help to deliver more power than a Kraton's ever had before. Coupled with a Spectrum 4274 motor, this is going to give you fantastic power geared to perfection. Driving the center diff, it is the 3-plate locking LSD center diff, which helps to control power bleed when you get on the gas. You won't be bleeding any power to the front tires, you're going to be delivering as much power to the road as possible. The shock package was updated for the V6 model with the emulsion caps, oil and piston size tuned to perfection just to get the car to soak up those big heavy landings. The RTR comes with the aluminium EXB 7075 chassis. This is going to take all the beating you can send its way. Steel skid at the rear to protect when you get really heavy on those landings to the rear of the car. You can't always land every jump perfect. Although we're offering these two brand new colour schemes, we're not detracting from our design team continuing to do what they do best, and we've left them cooking. They continue to work on the next big and small things from ARRMA. Another thing to note, guys, is that the ARRMA EXB Kraton will not receive a new colour scheme update. The murdered out black and red EXB theme will continue to be the current colour choice. With the wheels and tyres off the car now, we can see the new hubs front and rear, which were new for the version 6 of the Kraton 6S. They've now got a capture pivot ball, which makes things just a lot more secure. Bigger bearings on the inboard side, front and rear. Again, reliability is what we wanted to work on with this version of the car. The Kraton 6S isn't a car that is just designed 11 years ago, put out on there and just forgotten about. This car has evolved over every 11 years of its life and continue to evolve with setup, geometry changes. So the arm length, diff height, roll centers, kingpin inclination, caster, camber, wheel offset, scrub radius.
6.5 hours later.
These are adjustable, so you can change the way the car drives subtly. But we've continued to develop this platform, and it is literally the ultimate bashing car. If you are looking for an ultimate basher but don't really know exactly what you want to do with it, want to go drive fast, drive off-road, drive big skate parks, send it on the ramps, send it on the motocross track, 100-foot downrange, then the Kraton 6S is the car you can go to. This car can do everything. Whether you want the iconic green colour scheme or the red, white and blue colour scheme, the choice is yours. Let me know, guys, in the comments below. Which one do you prefer? Red, white and blue or the iconic green?